Hello, scientists and engineers. Welcome to this installment of the Science4Kern Science and Engineering activity. And again today, we're going to be using some really common, hopefully, some items that you'll be able to find around your home. Today, we call our activity the balloon racer. Our items today are super simple. We're using some balloons from home. And if you have, these are just regular balloons like you would use at a birthday party, but it would be sort of fun as you try this activity out to try out different kinds of balloons, fat ones, skinny ones, and see what the difference is in terms of the effect that you will get when you actually test your balloon. We're using some string. Our string today is this super fun color that's going to show up nicely on camera today, but really any sort of string, any color will work. Just some regular old tape, masking tape or scotch tape will work for this activity. And then a straw. If you have some extra straws around your house, maybe from the drive-through or those will work out nicely as well. And so our challenge today, our mission with the balloon activity today is to put some air in this balloon, attach it to our testing string. I'll be blowing it up in a moment, attaching the balloon here, and then releasing it down the string. And my goal is to get the balloon to travel the length of the string, maybe as fast as, the faster the better. So if you think about blowing up a balloon, I'm going to be blowing some air into this balloon to get it to travel down the string. And while I try this first test, I want you to be thinking about that. How is it that the balloon is able to travel down the string? So check this out. This first trial will be one large blow into my balloon. All right, so I blew up my balloon. Notice the size. I've got it pinched. So while I'm pinching with one hand, I'll be attaching with the other. Get the balloon taped onto my straw, which sits on the string. My string's tied to the handle here, nice and tight. Notice the string is nice and straight too. And I am going to release in 3, 2, 1. All right, so notice, the balloon popped off, which that's fine. You'll notice in terms of testing, notice where the balloon stopped on that test. So we'll open this back up and hopefully we can use this tape again. We'll bring our straw back to the beginning. And so what do you think was going on? What made the balloon travel along the string? In the air, the back end was opened up. So something was going on with air, and think about the air coming out the back end, the balloon propelling forward. Think about that a little more. This time I'm going to blow up the balloon with 2 puffs. So ready? Hopefully I won't pass out. Notice the difference in size. Be thinking about distance that the balloon will travel along the string, along our testing track. We'll release in 3, 2, 1. Oh, yeah, that was pretty awesome. So if I recollect correctly, first trial we stopped about here. Second trial, we made it all the way to the end, and I would imagine that if I did this again and I blew it up even larger, I'd need a longer track. So what do you think was going on? And if you think about a balloon and the balloon traveling along the track, it was full of air pushing out, air flowing out the back, pushing the balloon down the track. So as you try this at home, I challenge you to try out some varying sizes of balloons and try out varying amounts of air in your balloon. Try out some other things too, like varying your track length and maybe the angle of your track as well. But I hope you have some fun with your families. To learn more about this science activity and many others, check us out at Science4Kern.org.